Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to work on Google Sheets offline. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. To work in Google Sheets offline, you need to make some preparations while you are still online. For everything to work correctly, you must work either in the Chrome browser or in Microsoft Edge. For example, I'll work in the Chrome browser. Log into your Google account. I have already done this. Now go to the upper right corner and click Google Apps. Find the Google Drive application and select it. Google Drive is open. Here we go to the settings, namely this gear icon in the upper right corner. Settings again, scroll down a little and check this checkbox. Create and open these applications in offline mode. Great, now you need to check if your browser has an extension for offline work. Go to Settings, these three dots, Extensions, Manage Extensions. As you can see, I have the Google Docs Offline extension installed and it's enabled. Although this extension is called Google Docs Offline, it's also works great with Google Sheets. If you don't have these extensions, you need to install it. Go to the Chrome Web Store and click Add to Chrome. I'll leave a link to this extension in the description. Return to Google Drive, and the last preparation to continue working with workbooks offline, they also need to be switched to offline mode. For example, I'll switch these three workbooks offline. Click these three dots and select Make Available Offline. And so with each workbook. As you can see, each of these workbooks now has an icon about offline availability. So we switched Google Sheets to offline mode, installed the extension, and also switched the workbooks with which we will work offline. Now let's see how it will all work without the internet. So the internet is off. What can we do? The Google Apps button doesn't work. So we use a bookmark or quick access panel to launch the Google Sheets application. How to create bookmarks in the Chrome browser? Watch this video. The application opened and three workbooks that we switched to offline mode are also active. Let's launch one of them. The workbook launched perfectly. The workbook status is marked in the upper left corner. It works offline. The application doesn't work as smoothly as in online mode. Some network features are missing, such as sharing, forwarding, or inserting an image from the web, but all other features are working fine. Unfortunately, you can only create a new workbook from the menu of an already running document. Here, File, New, we give the workbook a name and it's saved on our device, and not in the cloud as it was online. But when your device is online again, all changes to your workbooks will be synchronized. This is how we switched Google Sheets to offline mode. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.